and welcome back to day 4 of OET Learnuary. My name's Sona and I'm a premium preparation provider of the OET, and I've got this OET learning challenge for you where we change February into OET Learnuary. And if you watch one of our YouTube videos every day in February, you can learn new skills, new tips, you can build your vocabulary and help you get some OET test practice, of course. As I say, this is day 4, and today we're looking at pronunciation. And if you are as familiar as I am with COVID tests, the daily lateral flow test that we are all encouraged to do, then you'll know what this word is. But do you know how to pronounce it? Well, it is written in a funny way with an A, but it's actually pronounced like an O. Swab. Let's listen.
Swab. Swab.
Did you hear this sound? It's actually like the word clock. O. Clock. Swab. Swab. O. Swab. It's not an A sound, even though we write it with an A. English is funny like that. We don't always pronounce things as we write them, but it's actually swab. So let's look at this in context. What we're going to do is some shadow reading. I'd like you to read along with me. And this is some information from the NHS, and it's the step-by-step guide for taking the lateral flow test, the rapid test that we do, that we're encouraged to do every time we go out and meet some people. If we're going for work example, we take these tests, we have them at home, they get sent to us at home, or we can pick them up from pharmacies, and we have to take this test ourselves, record the result, and then send it off to the NHS so they know if we're okay and we know if we're okay or not. This comes right at the end of the leaflet, or towards the end of the instructions basically. Have a look at them yourself if you like. I've got the website down here. If you just Google it, you'll be able to find it. And I'd like you please to read along with me so we're practicing our pronunciation. Here we go. Insert the entire fabric tip, that's this part of course, off the swab into one nostril. Using gentle rotation, push the swab less than 2.5 centimeters from the edge of the nostril. This may feel uncomfortable. Oh, it's horrible, isn't it? But do not insert the swab any deeper if you feel strong resistance or pain. Rotate the swab 5 times, brushing against the inside of the nostril, and then remove the swab and insert the same swab into the other nostril. Repeat again. Steps 10 and step 11. So, and after you do that, you then put it into the fluid, and then you can do your test. You put the droplets in, etc., etc. But this word, of course, then, the pronunciation one more time is swab. Well, thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you next time for the next video in OET Learnuary. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, I hope.